Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create the Cine Color look. I use this on my Instagram all the time. As you can see, it's very close to the Hollywood film look that we can see in different movies. So let me show you how to create this. Let's jump into Lightroom and let's start creating this preset. So guys, when in Lightroom, let's select the picture that you want to edit, and let's start bringing the contrast down. We'll bring the highlights down as well, and let's bring the shadows up. Bring the whites down as well, and we'll bring the blacks touch down as well. Let's go to the curves, and we'll play with the curves as well. So just follow along, because this is where we're gonna create majority of the effect. I think it's looking good. We'll adjust the saturations in the end. Okay, I think it is fine. So let's move on to the green. Move on to the blue. Looks good. Let's go to the color tab. We'll just add a touch of tint, and I'm gonna bring the saturation up for now, but we'll adjust that, after we're done playing with individual colors. Okay, so we're not touching anything on the red. We'll go to orange and bring the hues down to minus 75-ish. Play with the saturation next, and go to the yellow color and follow along. By the way guys, I come up with these videos every week, so please don't forget to subscribe and share your support. Also, if you learn anything of value from this video, go ahead and share it with your friend, and give me some feedback in your comments down below. So moving along, let's go to the next color, and let's bring the hue down on green. Bring the saturation down as well. I think 2 minutes looks fine. Let's go to aqua. Make some adjustments here. It's looking a little too saturated for me, but we will adjust everything after we are done from the main saturation tab, the color tab. So just keep on following along. Done. Go to the effects controls. Let's add some texture. We'll dehaze it a little bit. Bring it down. Here is fine. I also like to add some grain on my photos. It gives like a film look. Okay, let's go to the split tone, and we'll add some color to highlights and shadows as well. And again guys, I'm giving you guys basics of editing on how to create these presets. You can create your own presets by just following along. It's something that is working for me, but it also depends on the day, the time of the day you're shooting your pictures, what kind of settings you're using, and all of those things as well. So always understand how to create these, so that you can adjust these settings based on your own pictures as well. Okay, I think we're pretty close, but I think it's still a little bit too saturated for me. So let's go to the saturation tab on color, and we'll just try to slide it towards the negative side and see where it looks good. I think around minus 30-ish is good. Okay, let's copy these settings, and let's see, before and after. Okay, let me just copy all these settings and apply them to other pictures and see how it looks. Okay, these are all the pictures I shot last year in New York when everything was not going crazy. Okay, you see that like film look is coming along, so I'll just apply it on other pictures as well. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for my page too. So I always upload different pictures and I try to follow themes. So right now this is what I'm using as my main preset or main look. So, you know, again, like if you guys have any special requests, let me know and I can create a preset for you guys as well in my upcoming videos. Okay, let's paste these settings here. Looking good. Okay. So I use this preset, and then I also have another version of that where I just use the same setting, but I have increased the contrast a little bit. So it's also another look that you can create using the same preset but just changing the contrast. It looks pretty good. I am very happy with this result. So let's just create the preset now. Let's go to, my phone is acting really slow today. I need to get a new one. Okay, that's another picture. So before and after. Okay, go to the first picture. So I'm gonna leave this in the description down below with the settings that we have created, and you can download that free of charge as I mentioned. So let's create this preset and call it Cine Color. Oh, can't even type today. Cine Color. Okay, so done, and there you have it.